Okay, so this video, I'm not working on anything, but this is shop related, definitely. Parts washing, guys. You're going to think I'm full of shit, but I'm just going to go ahead and say it. The best parts washing solution you're ever going to find is Tide powder and warm water. Now this is Tide powder. The generics won't work. The liquid won't work. The concentrate stuff, I don't know what's in Tide powder that makes this work, but it does. And I'm telling you, it's the best for a multitude of reasons. It's safe. You kids and pets, you ain't got to worry about it. It's great for cutting grease. I mean, it will compete with any of the nasty, harsh chemical. I put it right up there with any of them. It does just as good a job. It cleans your hands, and it's soft on your hands. You know how it is. You get in all that oil and them harsh solvents and crap, you know, even wearing gloves. You get a little prick in your glove, you get that shit all over on your hands anyhow. This is safe on your hands. And for some of you guys, you know, after you've been in that oil and crap for a lot of years, it starts to like work on your hands and you get like allergic reactions and shit. You know, your hands get all split open and painful and shit. Tide won't do that. It's safe. You know, it gets all nasty, grungy, and it'll take it a long time to really get like a good scum coat on top of there. You dump it out in your yard. You know, essentially Tide is fertilizer, it works great for, you keep your rag laying there, wipe your hands off with that rag, rather than just a dry rag that kind of get greasy and oily. The phone rings or something, grab that rag, wipe your hands off. Use a parts washing brush, treat it just like the other stuff. I keep mine on a double burner hot plate because that's what I got at a yard sale, cheap. And this bin is kind of big. Now my uncle is the one that turned me on to this. I don't know where he came up with this. I don't know if he kind of invented this or if he's seen it somewhere. I've never seen anybody else do it. But he's got a single burner hot plate with a stainless steel nice little bin on his, and his hot plate's on a thermostat. He keeps it plugged in all the time. But me, I plug mine in and unplug it as I need it to heat up, so keep it pretty warm, you don't want it bubbling, where you can't handle it, but as hot as you can keep it, the better off you'll be for cutting grease. If you've seen my other videos, I just pulled out a small tractor out of here. We did a head gasket and, rebuilt all 4 hydraulic cylinders on a little Case IH 255. And that thing was filthy. We didn't wash it before we brought it in here, didn't clean nothing up. And you'll see, if you see them other videos, this bench is filthy with hydraulic fluid, grungy old grease off the end of them cylinders. I mean, just the nastiest stuff. And I used that rag and just wiped it right up. I mean, slop it on there, scrub it around, rinse your rag out, scrub it again, wipe off all my tools. It's good on my hands. It's cheap to try too. You may have that in the house. Sneak in and get you about a half a scoop in, 3 gallons of warm water and try it. Put it in a bucket and try some warm water out of the faucet. You ain't out nothing. If you ain't got none of that in the house, next time you're at the store, pick up a little tub of it. And if you give it a good shot and you don't like how it works, put it back in the laundry room and you ain't out nothing. You can use it on your laundry then. But I'm telling you guys, you're going to love this. I would love to hear some comments if anybody's ever truly tried this, or go out and try it and come back to this video and leave a comment. I've never heard of anybody ever doing this. Anybody I ever tell about this, they think I'm full of shit, and I don't know that anybody's ever tried it again. They just blow me off. They think I'm full of shit. Until you try it, you're going to think I'm full of shit, but if you do try it, you're going to love it. I would love to hear some comments if you've ever tried it, if you know anybody else that does, because I've never seen anybody else do it but my uncle. So let me know in the comments. I really would love to hear back from you guys.